Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my people. And I welcome once again. If today be your first time to see my video, I beg you subscribe this video, subscribe, like, share, comment this video. So at the end of the upload, you go see my video. I beg make una share this video. Share so that I go see my topic. Today topic na advice to married women. Wetin make me say I wan give this advice to married women be say most married women for house you need to go and find work. Find work for yourself, because many women now all they know na to do gossip. Gossip na amebo. They no get handwork. All they know na to gossip around from house to house, from church to church, from shop to shop. At least find something, occupy your children. Find work. Go for wetin you go do for yourself. Don't be say you go dey as they sleep. They do amebo, they gossip around. Go find work to do. Find job, because don't be say you go dey as they sleep. Now say na man will give you money to buy Brazil, man will give you money to find pints. Anything you buy, the man go dey buy for you. Go find work so you go fit help yourself. Don't go dey as they cause problem, they cause trouble, they cause problem for your husband, they cause fight. Find work, because many of all these our women now, they go use pikin dey do excuse. I no see where me or pikin o, na im make me no go find work. I no see where me this one. Find work. When my pikin dey 3 months, I dey work for this country. I give out the babysitter, I go dey work. I never want to say my days as dey sleep because I go use pikin dey do excuse. Find work for yourself, because many women all dem know to do na to gossip from one woman to another. Gossip no dey pay. Find work for yourself. Do something. Help yourself. No dey do amebo. So you dey cause trouble every day with your people. Dey fight. Do something for yourself as a married woman. Find work to take care of yourself. Not be say they marry you make you come dey as a sleep. They marry you to work, to do something. This opportunity dey no dey easy. Make you work to assist your husband. Work. They also make you come up, make them marry you, make you come dey produce children, go dey forget say you go work. Make you work. Find work. Not dey gossip. Because some women their life are to gossip, to cause trouble for one person, to cause trouble here, trouble here. E no good. Make una stop that character. Find work. Take care of yourself as a woman. Do something for yourself. Not say if your husband not give you, no go chop. Find work, because now the things don't change. World don't change. Find work. Not they say as they produce children. For as they produce the children, you come there as they do amebo. You come they gossip. If they say me you go find work, you say who go help me hold my pikin now? Who I go need my pikin for? Who die? You know where pikin dey? So go find work. No they gossip. Make una stop amebo. Stop to gossip people. Do something for yourself as a woman. I said one called advice married women. If you be married women, take this advice. When me and first married, my husband said make I not work. I said I must work. I go work because work is important for me. Why be say don't be say anytime when you dey find money, you go dey ask your husband, give me 10 euro, give me 100 naira. So e no good. So find work. Do something. Work day. Not talk say work not day. This country work day. If you want to work day. Know how to do hair, know how to do meat pie, know how to do babysitter, do many things to help yourself. Like me, I can do any kind of hair, anything to do. I dey sabi am. I no dey say as dey sleep. Since I marry, wife, but children dey work. I never dey say as dey sleep one day. So stop to gossip. Help yourself as a married woman. Do something. If you dey Africa, you be married woman. You dey Africa. Sell recharge card, sell pure water. Do something for yourself. Not the answer say the man not give you money. No, what if the man die tomorrow? Who will take care of you? Who will give you food chop? So that's why it's good for a woman to work. Work. Assist yourself. Work to maintain yourself. That's me, I maintain myself. I dey shine every day. I dey every shine. No, see, I dey shine all the time. You see me? I dey shine because I dey work. Because not everything you want buy, you go dey ask the man, give me money, and he go take some money, no, they go dey cause trouble, and I go dey cry because of money matter. Married woman, go and look for job to do, work, do something for yourself. Help yourself to maintain yourself. Because if you dey work, you go fit assist the man. You go fit take care of your children. You go take care of your husband to make your husband come dey sick tomorrow. Because nobody knows tomorrow. Work. And some married women, they go dey hide secret for their husband. Some go dey build house, they build mansion, they go dey hide that for their husband. Not dey hide secret for your husband. As you and your husband marry, una be one, una go share story together. Some married women, they go dey build house, their husband no go know, they go hide am. If you dey do something as a married woman, tell your husband wetin you dey do, the man go know wetin you dey do. Because many people now dey divorce because of all this problem wey dey ground. Anything wey you dey do, if you say you really marry, talk to your husband wetin you dey do, so the husband go know. Because most of your friends wey dey tell your story, they will go tell your husband later. That was if you be a woman, you get secret to what you dey do. Keep that secret to yourself, not tell anybody. If you get 5 secrets, keep 3. The real one, keep am to yourself, not tell anybody all your secrets. Because if you tell them all your secrets, they'll go to tell your husband, you no go know. So avoid friends, avoid people, stop to gossip. Do something, find work, find job. Not dey use pikin dey give excuse say I no see every old pikin o, because of pikin make me not find work o. Me I work, my first son was 3 months I dey work. I go find work. I no wan sleep, I never sleep as one day since I come this country. I never sleep one day. I've been working for many years to assist my husband. So as a married woman, do something for yourself. Work. Make you dey work. Yeah, it's very important to work as a woman. Work, find work day. Find to clean, even if you go dey go before. Many blacks dey go. If you go black person house, abeg, you wan make I do clean house for you? When me I read my children dey small, I dey get people dey come help me clean my house, I dey pay them. They fit do 2 hours, 10 euro. But if you say make black person come clean house, they go say, let me go come clean house for you. Do something for yourself. Do exercise. Not this house they chop semo, they fat, they sleep, they gossip around. Find work day. Not they born every year. Every year they born pikin. You go born pikin food everywhere. All you know how to gossip. They find government benefits. All your hope now to if government not give you, you no go chop. They no go even buy drugs for that. Even government go give them money. They no go even use the money take care of their children. So work, find work to do. Do something for yourself as a woman. Find work. Not this house they sleep. I beg my sisters. If you are a woman, I beg find job to do. Take care of yourself as a woman. Maintain yourself. Not the dirty. So that you will get respect from your husband. So your husband people they go see respect, say you dey work. You don't say you not depend on their brother. So make you work. Open your shop. If you dey Africa, open shop. Do something. Go if you be you dey Nigeria, you dey Africa, any country, go hawk rice. Go hawk oil. Go do many things for yourself as a woman. Do something. Don't they say you go this house, they say na man go give you everything you want, na man go give you. You want pint, man go buy for you. You want makeup, the man go buy for you. Nobody will see me. They buy everything myself. See me. I don't use the shine for myself. I want to depend. Say if man no go give me, I no go chop. So my sisters, me, you wanna find something to do as a woman. Find something. Do something. Wake up. Find work. Go find work. Not do housewife. Housewife is a sickness. Housewife no dey pay. Because tomorrow, your husband may die. You no go see who go give you that money. That's why it's good for a woman to work. Work. Do something for yourself. So as you go like me, I like makeup well. I dey like to make up to shine my face. So that's why I dey like to work. Even people say I start to work, so the man go fit take care of me, but I want to work. So work as a woman, not dey gossip from house to house. If you go now, most people you go sit there for open market. All dem know na to gossip. They'll just dey gossip. Their name na gossip. If you dey work, no man go do shakara for you. If you dey work, your husband go love you, una go join together. Abeg, make una dey work, married women. Do something. Even if you never marry, you be single woman to work before you marry. Find job for yourself. So my people, na so my talk reach for today. Abeg, make all marriage women go find work. Make una find work. E go good for una body. E go good for una children too. So see you in my next video. Make una abeg, make una help me share this video. Subscribe, comment, like, abeg. Make una share am to anyone. So anytime when me I go dey see me now, abeg, make una support una sister. Anybody wey subscribe to my YouTube channel, una go dey receive blessing. God go dey bless una in abundance. And even the newcomer wey wan still come subscribe, God go bless una. Una do well. As una dey share my video, God go bless una. Anything una dey ask from God, God will do it for you. So una do well, my people. Thank you very much. As una dey share my video, God will bless you. See you in my next video.